ready. It's going to be a 6-minute B main. Top two going to transfer. And your race will begin on the sound of the tone in less than 5. All right, let's get this moving. Mike DH going to be leading us out, yellow and blue through the wall. And as I look back to second, things change, and now things change in the first spot, and I don't know everyone's bodies, so that makes this wonderful. Just gonna have to wait until they all cross that line. I think I've seen fourth go to first, back to second, back to third, and then up to first, and then lose it again already, and we're not even a quarter of a lap in. So, just gonna see how it all shakes out. Seeing a little bit of spinning now. Might be a little dusty now. The sun's starting to come out. Just starting to form. It's going to be Zach Hercules in the number 1, followed by John Snyder and Mike DH. Ooh. It's going to be Zach getting it wrong after the long jump. Going to get marshaled by a fellow car. I think that was John Snyder. So if that's correct, I think that means we have Mike DH back up into the number 1. And that was right. Mike DH is your number 1 car right now. In the number 2, green and black just crossing the line. That's going to be Zach Hercules. 6.5 between those two. Then you got a 2-second gap. Make that 3 back to Paul Bruce in the number 3 spot. Then another 2.5. You'll find John Snyder. Then it'll be the LOGAN-ATOR followed by Joe Cooper. .240 down, 3:20 to go. We're approaching the halfway point. Field's pretty well spaced out at the moment. John Snyder and Zach Hercules are battling it out for that 3 spot, so let's find them real quick. We got your leader going down the backstretch. Joe Cooper in the all-white. He's in the 6th spot. So then if we follow back a little bit more, that should be Paul Bruce. Followed closely behind should be John Snyder and Zach Hercules. And that seems to be the exact order as they go down the backstretch. So Bruce trying to hang on to the 2. Snyder trying to make some moves getting up there. Just a heads up, Joe, then. That's the number 2 car. Yep. That ended up working out better than I expected. And then it looks like 3 and 4 of Snyder and Zach getting together on the right side. Not helping either one of their cases. Still 2 minutes and 20 to go. Anything can happen. This is 10th scale on an 8th scale track. Yeah, they got bigger tires than the buggies. Yes, the arms are slightly longer, but still the same size turnbuckles. Wouldn't be surprised. Just under 2 to go, guys. Up next will be race number 16, 1/8 scale Nitro Truggy, C main. Like LOGAN-ATOR having a little bit of a stall, but got back up and running pretty quickly. Uh-oh. Paul making a little bit of a bobble. Luckily, he's got a pretty healthy gap back to John Snyder, about 17 seconds. He can afford a little mistake here and there. So your complete running order with a minute and 15 to go is going to be Mike, Paul, John, Zach, the LOGAN-ATOR, and Joe. High lap is going to go to Mike, a 47.7, couple laps ago. Everyone else is a 50 or longer. So Mike definitely has the pace. 50 seconds left. Figured I'd just ask it now. Could use some volunteer help on the next race. I only have 6 in this one. I'm going to need 5. I promise I only have to ask that a couple more times throughout the day. In fact, I think it's maybe 2 more times, and then that'll be it. Two, 1. You guys will be racing them to the line. Unless somebody broke, nothing should change in the order, but I'm going to keep on monitoring that in the meantime. Looks like Mike DH is on a victory lap, though. He could break and still make the bump. Paul Bruce going to come across the line and secure that second spot. Second and final transfer. Joe Cooper going to take that 5 then. DH, last lap, fast lap, 47.2. Showing us a little bit more pace to go. SNYDER done. Finishing out in the 3. 1 car still alive, coming across the line to take the 4. It's going to be Zach, and that is a race drivers.